Hey everyone, it's Vince here. I've been asked to play Lucky Winner. This app promises real life money and rewards, okay? The only problem is, right, everyone's saying it's fake. So what ends up happening is this app is built on diminishing returns. Apparently you start earning a lot at the start, but then you start earning nothing towards the cash out value. And this is the problem with a lot of these apps. A lot of these apps that I play on my channel, right? Did it just say I won $30? I just won $30 from logging in. Nah. Here we go. Here we go, everyone. Biggest red flag straight off the bat. I've won $30 already. Tap to stop the lucky wheel. $500, $50, 10 cents, $1. $500 you can win on the lucky wheel. Okay, stop. I've just stopped at $500. That was 100% on $500. Let's see if I get it. Okay, I've just got a blank screen for an ad. That's great. That's okay, it gives me time to talk to you. Anyway, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Vince. Thank you very much for watching my content. I post videos on scam apps. Now, just by looking at Lucky Winner, 1 minute into the app, red flag instantly. When you get rewarded massive amount of money just for literally starting the app up, that's a bad sign. That means developers are trying to hook you in straight away to keep you playing. So they've managed to get me to watch an ad within 1 minute of playing their game. Dude, 10,000 coins. I landed on $500 cash, right? And it gave me 10,000 coins. Okay, another bad sign. Now, another bad sign is that it has all the scam apps on here. It has Coindozer, which I've covered on my channel. It has Lucky Plinko, which I've covered on my channel. Lucky Dice, barely sure I've covered that on the channel. 2048 Merge, covered that on the channel. Lucky Slots, I don't know if I've covered that. I reckon I have though, since it's built into other apps. And 2048 Ball, that was one of the first. That was the first. I think the first app I've covered on my channel for being a scam. So this app has inbuilt to it all the scam apps. Wow. Now we have a scratchy element here. Lucky Pizza. Okay? I'm gonna win. Here we go, everyone. Another ad. Oh boy. Okay, now I know why you guys want me to play Lucky Winner. I can see why you want me to play Lucky Winner. Wow. So essentially, is it too early to call this a scam, everyone? I don't think it's too early, bro. I really don't think it's too early. Far out, this is a slow app. Anyway, what's the cash out value here? Does it give you a cash out value? $100 PayPal. $200 PayPal. Dude, come on, man. If reward is in the cooldown state, please redeem it again at the end of the countdown. Okay, sure. Why? Why do these apps exist, everyone? And you might be saying, where's the evidence these are fake? Guys, please, listen to me. This app is fake. Look how slow Coindozer is. Dude, what's wrong with this app? Look at this! Dude, that's slow. Wow. So I'm out of tokens anyway now. I have to watch an ad. There you go. Exact same scam elements as all the other pusher apps out there and dozer apps. Far out, dude. This is crazy. So all I'm doing is winning in-game currency right now. I'm not winning real life money. Just keep that in mind, everyone. So I'd have to watch an ad right now. I'm not. I'm backing out of this. This is terrible. That's hurting my eyes. That is pathetic. Alright, Lucky Plinko. Another absolute joke app that needs to be banned from Google. So this app, this works fine. Look at this. This works perfect. These are all in-game currency tokens as well because they're yellow. That's the thing with Plinko apps, everyone. Unless you get green tokens, you're never going to win real life money. Doesn't mean you're going to get cashed out anyway. Like, legit, don't think they're going to give you money. They won't. So, light, watch an ad. Nope. Jackpot. $1,000 fruit. Oh my god, it even has $1,000 fruit, bro. There's a slot machine element here at the top as well. To keep you guys going. Nah. That's a scam. This is a scam, dude. Lucky Winner is a scam app. It's literally built on all the scam apps together. I can't believe it, dude. This is disgusting, man. It even has the same music. Google, do something about your freaking store, man. Why are you allowing these apps on there? What's wrong with you people, bro? You make so much money. Why do you need scam apps on your site? Doesn't make sense, everyone. Like, it actually hurts my feelings. It hurts me that you guys are getting ripped off so bad. If you guys have had a legitimate experience with this app, leave me a comment and show me the picture proof. That's all I want to know. Show me picture evidence of you getting paid from this app. I can guarantee I'll get nothing. I never get anything, guys. No one ever shows me proof. It just solidifies the fact that this is a scam app. 100%. Look at this. Yeah, I'm going to do this forever, bro. This is great. I need to reach 1024. Okay, no. I don't care. 1024, everyone. I'm not going to bother trying to grind to that. Lucky dice. Excellent. Let's go. How many ads will I need to watch here? Let's find out together. I better not get any ads, by the way. I'll get so angry. 3. Empty. Okay. Then I guess I get 2. 4. Slot machine. Here we go. That's great. Thanks for that. An ad. It's great app, man. This is great app. This is legit. This is awesome. This is awesome. I can't believe you guys asked me to play this. Now I know why you asked me to play it, though. Do you know I'd get angry straight away? This is a joke, bro. Grow up, app. Seriously. These developers love the fact they're scamming people, man. They just literally do not care. You guys have to realize that they don't care. They make their money from the ad revenue, bro. 100%. Alright, here we go. I can win up to $500 here. Really? Choose one. Now, is this going to be $500? No. $2,000 in-game currency and a nice fat ad. I'm so sick of these freaking actors, man. I can't handle it. I just can't. Guys, you're killing me. You guys are all killing me right now. I'm up to nearly 200 apps I've played on my channel that are scams. Do you know how sad I am as a person? I don't know what you're thinking. How can they all be scams? They're all scams because the problem is, guys, when you gamble, when you like go to a sports betting site or one of those sites, you know, where you bet, whatever, or you go on an online casino, they're going to pay you. Like, more 99, unless you go to the dodgiest one, they're going to pay you. With apps, there's no regulation. So the problem is, who's going to stop this app, like Lucky Winner, developers? Why do they have to pay you? Technically, why do they have to pay you? Just because they say you win money, and they say there's a cash out, who's going to enforce the cash out? No one. No one cares. They just let you get scammed. That's the big gimmick here. That's why these apps have had the biggest loophole ever, dude. It's an absolute joke and it's pathetic. It really is pathetic. Whatever. I should have rated that 1 star. Anyway, they even give you tasks as well here to win in-game currency. Yeah, that's great, dude. Do you know how much ads that you would have to watch at this point? Offer wall. Finish to win $1,000 in real life money. Oh my god, you have to download other apps, bro. Are you serious, man? Come on. Really? You have to download other apps. And you get all these coins rewarded. Yeah. But you have to actually finish certain things here. Finish level 1, complete 3rd village, open the app. Nah, I'm done. I'm done with Lucky Winner, everyone. Don't play Lucky Winner. It's a scam app to get you to play other scam apps. Good luck out there if anyone thinks this is real. Legit. Stay safe out there. Don't get scammed. And I'll catch you all tomorrow. See you around, everyone.